This model is Natalia Krasavina. She born 17th February 1999 in Moscow, Russia. She is 170 centimeters tall and a fitness model. On Instagram, where photos and videos are the main contents. She has an outstanding appearance and a luxurious face and sensuality unique to Nordic women. She has a beautiful body made of fitness. She has emerged as the best star on Instagram. She won the award Alexis Ren Gal Gadot, Kate Upton, and other girlish models and actors. She is the sexiest woman in the world. She had many fans in a short time. She was loved by many male fans. Currently, she has more than 6 million followers on Instagram. Check her Instagram ID in description.
But every time you come back, it's like falling down these lies again. This feeling that I have deep down inside. I just wanna be the one you need. And now I need you by my side. I can't sleep at night. Let's get lost in time, leave it all behind. I can't get enough of that. I'm enough. Let me be the one for you. But every time you come back, it's like falling down these lies again.